Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy crepe recipe 2 ways. So if you're interested in finding out how I go about making this, please stay tuned. So first we'll get to combining. So I'm just adding 2 cups of flour and creating a little well in the middle just to receive the eggs, of which we'll be using 3 as you can see right now, and make sure they're at room temperature. I'm also using a 1/4 cup of melted butter followed with a couple of tablespoons of sugar, going in with a little bit of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, as well as some cinnamon. And now we're going to mix this all up prior to adding some of the milk. I ended up using 2.5 cups of whole milk in total, but you want to add the milk incrementally just to avoid any lumps in your batter. So as you can see, I'm adding it 1 cup at a time until I obtain a nice smooth batter. So here's the consistency that you're looking for. You want your batter to be not too liquid and almost like very heavy double cream. And now we can get to frying. So I'm using a non-stick pan, which is going to be your best bet when making crepes. So I would advise that you resort to a non-stick pan, and I added a little bit of butter. And you'd have to ensure that your pan gets nice and hot, just so that your first pancake is not too tragic. So as we all know, first pancakes never end up winning the beauty contest, but that's okay. We have all the other pancakes to make up for, and here's the end result. So I ended up leaving my pancakes to cook for about 60 seconds per side. It may vary, and you want your heat to be at medium level. I'm using 1/3 cup of batter at a time, and this just ensures that I get pancakes with the same kind of thickness all around. And yes, I'm just going to end up doing this until I finish up all of the batter, and I'll show you what we do next. So I hear Valentine's Day is soon approaching, and I feel like crepes are a nice quick way to impress your significant other. So if you are stuck for ideas, you can just resort to crepes and make them in different ways, as I will show you in a bit. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and it's nice and quick. So crepes to the side for now. We're going to prepare some filling to zhuzh them up a little bit. So I added about 1/3 cup of butter, letting it melt, and I'm following this up with a couple of tablespoons of sugar. And the aim here is to caramelize the whole bit. So we're going to let this cook on medium heat until it reaches this color right here. Once it adopts this brown color, we're going to add 1 banana that has been sliced up, and let it cook for a further 2 minutes, no more than this, until we receive a nice unctuous mix. And then we can set this aside and get ready to assemble our pancakes. So we're going to make a strawberry and chocolate pancake in here. So I'm just spreading half of 1 crepe with a hazelnut and chocolate spread, also referred to as Nutella. And I'm adding some sliced strawberries like so, and then we're just going to fold it up, and voila, your first mix is ready. So this is your strawberry and chocolate pancake. And then secondly, we're going to add our banana mix to a pancake. So again, we're only going to add it to half of a pancake and then fold, and voila, here is your second type of pancake. So as you can see, they're very versatile. You can add whichever filling you like, but here is a really good example. It's got some fruits, it's got the sweetness and the tartness of the strawberries. So I thought this would go really, really well. Thank you for watching. If you got this far, happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Take care. Bye.